in the hustle of everyday life. Do you ever feel like you're constantly settling for crumbs while others feast at life's banquet? It's time to explore the hidden signs that you might be undervaluing yourself and discover how ancient Stoic wisdom can revolutionize your self-worth. 5 red flags. Are you selling yourself short? 1. The perpetual settler. You consistently accept less than you truly deserve, whether in relationships, career, or personal growth. 2. The achievement minimizer. Your successes? You brush them off as no big deal, failing to acknowledge your hard work and talent. 3. The selfless martyr. Your needs always take a backseat to everyone else's. Sound familiar? 4. The compliment dodger. When praise comes your way, you deflect faster than a superhero dodging bullets. 5. The reluctant decision maker. Important choices loom, and you find yourself paralyzed, unable to trust your own judgment. Stoic secrets to unshakable self-worth. Imagine possessing a sense of self-worth so strong that life's ups and downs barely ruffle your feathers. This isn't just a dream. It's the reality that ancient Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius lived and taught. These wise minds of antiquity weren't just pondering life in ivory towers. They were emperors, slaves, and everything in between, facing real-world challenges with remarkable resilience. Their teachings offer practical, actionable wisdom that's as relevant today as it was 2 millennia ago. Why wait for wisdom? Most people stumble upon these life-changing insights late in the game. But here's your chance to get ahead of the curve. By tapping into Stoic principles now, you can 1. Cultivate unwavering self-confidence. 2. Make decisions with clarity and purpose. 3. Embrace your achievements without ego. 4. Set healthy boundaries in all areas of life. 5. Find tranquility amidst chaos. Ready to transform your perspective and unlock your true potential? Don't let another day pass undervaluing your incredible worth. Dive into the full video to discover the Stoic secrets that will revolutionize how you see yourself and how the world sees you. Remember, in the words of Marcus Aurelius, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Your journey to unshakable self-worth starts now.